8 and 12 be divided by 2? Yes. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Can be divided by 2. Divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 can be divided by 2. Therefore, divided by 2. Divided by 2 is 1. 3 cannot be divided by 3. Divided by 2. Okay, therefore here, okay? Because cannot be divided by 2. Here cannot be divided by 2. Next, 3. Yes, 3 can be divided by 3. 1 is here. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, 1, 1. Okay, finish it. Therefore, here 2 multiplied by 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 3, 1 time equal 3. 2 multiplied 3 times. 2 multiplied by 3. No, 2 multiplied 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Multiplied by 2 is 8. Multiplied by 3 is 24. Okay.